Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ledger for crypto. First, understand that a hardware wallet is a physical device designed to keep your cryptocurrency secure. It stores your private keys offline, making them inaccessible to hackers and malware. This cold storage method is considered one of the safest ways to protect your digital assets, especially for larger investments. We'll walk through the simple steps to get started and manage your crypto safely. Setting up your ledger device is straightforward. Begin by unboxing your new hardware wallet and connecting it to your computer using the provided USB cable. The device will guide you through the initial setup process, which includes choosing a PIN code. The most crucial step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so store it in a safe, private location, perhaps even 2 separate places. Once your Ledger device is set up, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. This software acts as your interface for managing your crypto. Through Ledger Live, you can install specific cryptocurrency applications onto your hardware wallet, allowing you to manage different assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can then easily send and receive funds, always confirming transactions on your physical device for maximum security. For optimal security, always double-check all transaction details directly on your Ledger device's screen before you confirm anything. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share it or store it digitally. Keep your Ledger Live software updated for the latest features and security patches. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.